Hello everyone, let me introduce myself. My name is Wardana from class B. In this video, I will explain about the API. Sorry. In this video, I will explain about the API, namely software used for the development of Android and iOS application. And I made this video to fulfill an assignment for English course. Okay, first, what exactly is REST API? REST API is a type of web service that use the HTTP protocol to transfer data between different systems. REST stands for Representational State Lambda. Sorry. Okay, first, REST API is the type of web service that use the HTTP protocol to transfer data between different systems. REST stands for Representational State Transfer. And the idea behind this architecture is to create a standardized way for different applications to communicate with each other. In a REST API, resources are exposed through unique URLs, also known as endpoint, and this resource can be accessed and manipulated using HTTP methods such as get, post, put, patch, and delete. This HTTP method corresponds to a different operation that can be performed on the resource, such as retrieving data, creating a new record, updating an existing record, or deleting a record. REST API typically use a common data format such as JSON or XML to represent the data being transferred between the client and server. This makes it easier for different systems to understand as other and for developers to work with the data. One of the key benefits of REST API is that they are platform agnostic, meaning that they can be used by any system or programming language that can make HTTP requests. This make it easy to be flexible, scalable application that can be used across a wide range of devices and platforms. Okay, next, REST API. How do REST API work? REST API work by exposing resource such as data or functionality to unique URLs or endpoints. As endpoint represent a specific resource and can be accessed using the HTTP protocol, which define a set of standard methods for interacting with web server. When client application makes request to REST API endpoint, it includes an HTTP methods such as get, post, put, patch, or delete that specifies the type of operation it wants to perform on the resource. The request may also include additional parameters or data such as query parameters or request body. Server then process the request and return a response. Typical in standard data formats such as JSON or XML. The response may include data, status codes, headers, and other metadata depending on the specific endpoint and the type of request being made. For example, a client application might make a GET request to an endpoint that returns a list of all users in database. The server will process the request query to the database for the user data and return the result in JSON or XML format. A client application make a post request to an endpoint that creates a new user record in database, providing the necessary data in the request body. By using standard this HTTP methods and data format, this API make it easy to build flexible, scalable application that can be used across a wide range of devices and platforms. They also make it easy to integrate with other system and surface. Science more modern programming language and framework include built-in support for making HTTP requests and parsing JSON or XML data. For example, any endpoint with map to application create, update, and delete. This is XML REST API for response. Thank you for watching. Subscribe, like, comment, and share. Okay.
Berapa menit? Udah 5 menit tuh.
Birogi. Oh, lu. Sekali bulan.
Di kelas ada. Sini ketemu omong.